Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to do the Stealth Snail Monkey Up. And I'm gonna try and beat my record this time because I'm super excited. Alright, anyway, let's go in. Alright, let's go. It's been a while. And I don't know, I'm gonna do no checkpoints. And if you guys want me to do the same thing with one hand next, just like. And if this video gets 25 likes, I'll do it. I don't think we'll be able to reach it though. But if you don't know, there's 4 checkpoints to this game. Each one longer to get to. Whew. Alright, we're at first checkpoint. Whew, that was close. Whew. You know what? We're not making bad progress. Whew. We're already about to be at second checkpoint in like 3 minutes. Whee. Let's go! Almost to second checkpoint. And of course we're going to be taking the shortcuts. We are taking every single shortcut. I have to make it into smaller clips, so I just have to cut it every once in a while. Because I can't download videos if they're too long. Alright, third checkpoint, here I come. Almost there. Oh. Third checkpoint. Almost to 4. Alright, once I get to the top of this slide, I'll be at checkpoint 4. I don't like this part though. Now, so you know that my run is legit. I won't cut out anything. The only things I'll have to like edit is the parts where I have to click on record and then click record again, so my videos aren't too long. Okay. And I'm going to look up what the old record was to see if I got close to beating it once I beat this. Oh wait, 4th checkpoint, yay! In like 5 minutes. I probably should have started like a stopwatch or something at the beginning. Now, another part I don't like. Just because of the jumps. Alright, it's pretty easy from now on. Like, I can speed run those. Whew. Oh, I am very dizzy. This might be my new record. Oh, that was close. Gotta be more careful. One of my least favorite parts is coming up. Oh, I see it. I do not like this part. Because just of how small those icicles are. Alright. Continuing on. This is probably might be a new record for me. We're almost at the end. The old record was like 12 minutes. Oh, that was close. Yeah. Whew. Yay! Well, this is probably going to be a short video then, because that didn't take too long. So, Alright. Almost muted myself. Now, this was a lot of fun. Now, I can subscribe if you want one-handed mode next time. Alright, bye.